Memorise Studio is a platform created by Sci-Fi that offers a collection of electronic games that can be used by people with blindness and vision problems. Memorise Studio interacts with the desktop application Memory, and here you can see and download all the available game versions, as well as create your own version of the game. Let's see how you can create your own game. In case you want to create a game from scratch, press the button Create New Game on the main page. In the form, you need to enter a title, a description, and a general image that will characterize your game. You also need to check the copyright checkboxes. If you'd like, click also the checkbox that will allow others to create games based on this game. Then, it's time to create the game cards. Each pair consists of either two identical images or two images related to each other. Every image must have a sound that describes it, so don't forget to have the audio file available. Once you have uploaded all the cards, you can submit the game for review and approval. An administrator will then review it. If a game got your attention, but you want to add more cards to it or change it, then, by clicking the clone button on the left of the game, you can create a cloned version and edit its cards with the Edit button. Then, you can add a new pair of cards or delete an existing one. Visit Memorise Studio today and create a Memory game for your loved ones.